The overall goal of the following experiment is to test innate olfactory discrimination, olfactory preference or avoidance, and olfactory sensitivity in mice. This is achieved by exposing the mouse to a novel attractant or repellent and a neutral odor, which is water. Meanwhile, a video camera records the behavioral session. Next, the video is analyzed in image J using the provided macros to obtain the time spent in the odor and water parameters. The results show the preference or avoidance behavior to odors as compared to water among different genotypes based on the post-hoc computer-assisted analysis.
The main advantage of this olfactory testing over the use of a dedicated arena and olfactometer is that it uses the familiar arena and it is therefore of fast completion and simple setup. In addition, it uses inexpensive hardware. Demonstrating the procedure will be Emanuele, Brai, a graduate student in my lab.
For this experiment, use 3 to 5 month old male C57 Black 6 wild-type and transgenic mice. This demonstration uses 2 knockout lines and littermate controls. For the experimental arenas, use clean, sterilized mouse cages with 3 cm of bedding. Next, prepare the camera setup. Position it 58 cm above the cage floor on a customized tripod mount. Make some marks on the counter to denote where the position of the cage should be for a centered image. Set the camera to record a 320 by 240 pixel video at approximately 15 frames per second.